Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check Roblox transactions on your phone. So what you must do is open up your Roblox app, and once you have opened it up, you want to tap on the Roblox icon here. Now, here it doesn't tell you much, it tells you only how much Robux you have. So to get a detailed information about your transactions, you want to open up your Safari or Chrome, whatever, go to roblox.com, then you want to make sure you click on continue in browser, and from here you want to tap on the top right Roblox icon and then my transactions. Here you have the summary of the past 30 days, your incoming and outgoing Robux. If you want to check your purchases, you just type on where it says summary, switch to purchases, and then you can choose number of items per page, sale type, and at the bottom you will see what you bought and how much that cost you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.